Are you interested in setting up a U.S. company as a non-resident to trade stocks and cryptocurrency tax-free? Then you are in the right place. I'm business, tax, and immigration attorney Ali Chavez-Subban, recipient of the Best Immigration Lawyer Award, Legal Innovator Award, and Certified Crypto Tax Expert. In this video, you're going to learn the 7 actionable steps that you can take to start a business in the United States to trade stocks and cryptocurrency tax-free. So let's get started. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. We're going to be publishing new videos every week. Ring the bell so you get notifications every time we release a new video. Now, the first step is deciding on the type of entity to form in the United States for your trading activities. The 2 most common types of corporate entities non-residents can form in the U.S. are a limited liability company, also known as an LLC, or a corporation, also known as a C-corp. You can also form a partnership, limited liability partnership, and other types of entities. Now, you may have heard of an S corporation too, but this option is only available to special forms of trust, permanent residents, also known as green card holders, or U.S. citizens. Now, a question we receive often is which type of entity is best for trading activities. Generally, if you are a sole trader and you will be the owner of the company, then we recommend a Wyoming limited liability company, also known as a Wyoming LLC. In this video, we will discuss establishing an LLC for trading. Did you know that under the IRS code sections 864B2A and 871A2, that capital gains incurred on the sale of U.S. stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, options trades, and/or crypto are not subject to U.S. tax? Yes, you heard that right. Non-residents generally do not have to pay capital gains tax on U.S. stocks nor cryptocurrency trades. Under IRS Code Section 864, stock trading nor commodities trading is considered a trade or business within the United States. For non-residents, this means you can trade stocks and cryptocurrencies without having to pay capital gains tax on any stock appreciation you earn upon the sale. After selecting the type of entity, then you'll want to decide on how you will fund your US LLC for its trading activities. Generally, there are 2 main ways to fund your LLC, either through a capital contribution or debt, or a combination of both. A capital contribution is an equity investment. You contribute property in the form of money, intellectual property, equipment, inventory, or some other form of property in exchange for ownership interest in the company. A debt contribution is a debt investment where an individual or entity loans money to the LLC in exchange for interest payments and ownership interest in the company. Generally, the repayment of principal, which is the initial loan amount, is not considered taxable income in the United States, nor in many other countries. The interest payments are generally subject to tax. However, there are many ways to structure the loan to receive beneficial international tax treatment. After deciding on how you are going to fund your LLC, then it's time to select a bank or fintech company. Generally, you'll need to wire money to your company's U.S. bank account, and then you'll transfer funds from your U.S. bank account to the brokerage firm you select. You want to be able to show that the funds you're investing through an investment broker or cryptocurrency exchange came from a U.S. business bank account in the name of your company. Some banks and fintech companies our clients use are Relay Financial, Mercury, Wise, Chase Bank, and Ocean Bank. There are many others as well. Choose the one that has a quality reputation and that best fits your investment needs. After deciding on a US bank or fintech company, then it's time to select an investment broker. Some investment brokers our clients use are Vanguard, Fidelity, M1 Finance, Interactive Brokers, and Robinhood. There are many others as well. Choose the one that has a quality reputation and that best fits your investment needs. Also, as a non-resident who owns a US LLC to trade stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, etc., you'll need to complete the IRS Form W-8-BEN and provide it to your broker. We can help you complete the W-8-BEN form to show that your capital gains are non-taxable and that you may not be subject to the withholding tax on dividends depending on your circumstances. Contact us for more details. After deciding on your investment broker, you'll want to choose your cryptocurrency exchange. Some crypto brokers our clients use are Coinbase, Gemini, Kraken, Crypto.com, and KuCoin. There are many others as well. Choose the one that has a quality reputation and that best fits your investment needs. After deciding on the type of entity to use for trading, opening a US bank account, obtaining an investment broker, and cryptocurrency exchange, you are ready to start trading. Remember, any capital gains on stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies are tax-free. Dividends are subject to tax unless an exemption applies. In the United States, there is a rule called the wash sale rule. It prohibits investors from claiming a loss on the sale of a stock or security if they buy a similar investment within 30 days before or after the sale. Since non-residents trading through a U.S. company are not subject to capital gains tax, then the wash sale rule does not apply to non-residents. Please note that although your company will not be subject to capital gains tax, you will have an informational tax return filing due every year. The informational tax filing includes IRS Forms 5472 and 1120. We highly recommend that you speak with an experienced attorney and tax advisor prior to setting up your U.S. company to ensure that it's done the right way. You'll want to discuss how to structure your entity, how to properly fund your entity, and about your reporting requirements to ensure compliance with U.S. laws. This will help you to save time and avoid costly mistakes. We're here to help you set up your U.S. company as a non-resident to trade stocks and cryptocurrency tax-free and ensure that it's done the right way. Business formation companies such as Stripe, Atlas, LegalZoom, FirstBase.io, and Dola, to name a few, are not law firms, and they cannot provide you with legal advice nor a tax opinion. That's what sets our service apart. We're a top-rated U.S. and international law firm, specializing in helping entrepreneurs and investors like you to start a U.S. business, and we can provide you with legal and tax advice. We have helped numerous non-residents from all over the world establish US LLCs to trade stocks, invest in real estate, and operate companies in all different types of industries. To learn more about how we can help you, visit our website at subhanlaw.com. You can also click on the link in the description below. I hope you found this information helpful. If so, please click the like button and leave a comment below. And make sure to subscribe to this channel to get access to more helpful business, tax, and immigration tips and solutions.